In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can sign up for Amazon affiliate program. Now, this is an easy tutorial. All you have to do, guys, you want to watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistake in this process. Now, what you need to do, guys, you want to search, you want to just open a new tab and search for Amazon Associate, okay? Amazon Associate, as you can see here, and then click on that. And it will take you guys here. You can see here the results. Now, if it says in the top, some people, they are going to find Amazon.com. Don't click on that. Make sure it says Amazon.com associates. Okay, scroll down. If you don't find it in the top like me, scroll down and you will find it. Like it's going to be the second. Okay, now you want to click on Amazon.com associates, and it will take you guys to this page. It says here recommend products and earn commissions. Now you want to click on sign up. It will take you guys to this page. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to just enter, like it will take you guys here where you can see your own address and stuff like that. As you can see, it says here your address. Select that. For example, select this address. Now some people, they only have one address. You don't have to select an address here. Okay, so here it says here contact name. You just need to enter here your own someone else. I need to enter their information. Now if you are the one who is creating the Amazon affiliate program, you want to select the first one, which is the pay listed above. Okay, you want to click on next. Here it asks you guys for your website. If you have a website, enter it here. If you don't have it, what I do, guys, I just enter here a YouTube channel. Okay, that's what I do. I'm going to search for okay, and Shopify. I'm going to search for a random YouTube channel, which is this is my YouTube. This is my YouTube channel. That's what I'm going to enter there. Now, if you don't have any video on your YouTube channel, if you don't have a website, in case you don't have a website, some people, they don't have a website, you can use a YouTube channel so that you can get approved to use Amazon affiliate program. Now you just need to upload like 2 videos or 3 videos to your channel, and then upload a picture. That's it. And then you want to copy the URL in the top right, and then you want to go to Amazon Associate, and then enter the URL, and then click on add. As you can see, this is my YouTube channel. Now, like if you don't have any video, you can ask your friend to use his YouTube channel or something like that. Okay, you can just tell him, hi, I would like to to join Amazon affiliate program. I would like your channel so that I can get approved. You can promote products on his channel if he wants. Okay, click on next, and then it says here, are any of traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13? Okay, I'm going to select no. Click confirm. And here it says, what is your preferred associate store ID? You can come up with anything there. For example, I'm just going to enter here something like, okay, 1, 2, 3. Now it's please enter, okay, only alphabets and numbers. Okay, I'm going to enter here a number. Now it says here, tell us about the content you create. You just need to tell them about if you entered your website, you just need to tell them what you do on your website. If you entered YouTube channel, you just need to tell them what you do on your YouTube channel. So for me, I would just say something like, I make videos about making money online and tech in general. As you can see, that's it. And here it says here, which of the following best describes your content? Okay, content or niche website, search. How did you hear about us? I'm going to select, it doesn't really matter, you can come up with anything here. 3 different options here. For example, I'm just going to blog posts. Now you want to enter here the captcha. Okay, BIM. And then you want to check this. It says here, you agree to the terms and conditions of the associates program operating agreements. Check this. Then click finish. and it says here, thank you for applying for the Amazon.com Associate program. Your unique ID is the number that we have entered there. You may occasionally need to provide your associate ID to verify your account with us. Your application will be reviewed shortly after you have referred a qualified sales to Amazon.com. In the meantime, okay, you just need to wait 24 hours, as you can see here. Later, it says here, enter your payment and tax information. It's your choice. I'm going to click on later. That's it. Now you just need to wait. It says here, don't let delays stop you from getting paid. Now you just need to wait, and then yeah, that's it. You just need to wait, and then you will get approved. After you get approved, then you can start promoting products. Now if you want to learn how you can find links so that you can start promoting products, so that you can see your earnings here, stuff like that, click the video in the screen. That will show you guys every single thing you need to know about how you can get links, affiliate program links, okay? Affiliate links, okay? See you guys in the next video. If this video guys helped you, please drop a like, and if you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.